Don't wear leather skirt until you watch this. Most women think a leather skirt is difficult to wear. It isn't. The difference between looking elegant and looking uncomfortable comes down to a few simple styling choices. Before you wear yours, watch this. Always prefer a right fit. The most elegant leather skirt doesn't have to be the most expensive. It simply has to fit well. A high-waisted midi skirt works beautifully for every age. Shoes always matter. The wrong shoes can completely change the outfit. Pointy-toe pumps, sleek ankle boots, refined knee-high boots, or elegant loafers keep the look balanced and modern. If you want to look classy, refined, and elegant, then keep your accessories simple and minimal. A structured handbag, delicate jewelry, and a classy watch is enough. Dear fashion lovers, choose balance, quality, and timeless pieces, and you will reach again and again. If you love timeless fashion for women, subscribe for more elegant styling ideas. Take care.